In this video I am going to introduce you to our practical tutorial on how to use our SC205 encryption-based data protection software code. This code runs on Windows machines only as of now. It is written in C# and requires Microsoft.NET version 3.1.0 installed to run correctly. You can see we have some images and a video and a text document and some Word document in some perfectly working condition. This is the text file which contains essential information. This is the Word file containing some information. These are some photos. Notice the file size before the encryption. Now we will run our software which will encrypt every file available on desktop. You can see that one by one every file is getting encrypted using strong SC205 algorithm. Note that in our code, the encrypted file is of same size as the original file. The encrypted files do not require more disk space. The encrypted files are unable to read. You can see the encryption log file here. Now we will decrypt the file using the decryptor program. You can see the files being decrypted and now they all are in same condition as before. You can always download our code from our website. Thanks for watching this video.